I've been waiting a long time to upgrade my headlights to LED. This is the Halogen one H7 that came with the truck, and here's the LED one that I just upgraded. It's been very difficult to upgrade these because it's very difficult to find the right LED with that's able to connect easily. These styles have clips, they have these pigtails, they have a fan, and they don't fit inside the projector housing. So I've never got them to work properly, never got them to sit properly because the clips just don't work nicely. But these ones from Auxito, they're very simple. They just look like exactly like the halogen ones, the same size. There's no need for retainer clips or anything like that. It's very plug and play. So we're just going to get started. I'll show you how to install it. So first we need to raise the vehicle. It just makes it a lot easier to get your hands inside the wheel well to be able to open up the fender liner to access the headlight. So just press that to raise the wheel well. So this gives you some clearance. I just have a little paper here so that I don't get my shirt dirty. So I tried to remove the, when I originally removed the panel, I realized the video was dark. So I took another video where you could see this black little clip, and you just use one of these tools, body trim tools, to pull out the pin. And once you do that, it just falls straight out. And once the pin falls out, then this is just a door. So you just lift up the door and it'll slide right out. And it's pretty straightforward to open the door once you do this. So after the clip fell out, and here is the door. Now when I looked inside, there's a dust cap of the headlight housing that's missing on mine, or it has fallen off, so I need to look for it. But basically this is what it looks inside, and what you're going to do is you're going to take that black connector that has the two wires, twist it to the left to remove the existing halogen bulb, and then to put the new Auxito ones back in, it's just in reverse. You just feel it and then turn it clockwise to put it back in. So I'm just trying to get the right angle to be able to open it up. So I believe it twisted to the right. I forgot it's twisting to the right and then to close it to the left. But once you do that, the connector just comes straight off, and then I just used a screwdriver to separate the bulb from the base of the connector. I just used a flathead screwdriver, but maybe perhaps something thinner is better. I'm holding the bulb using paper because it's kind of hot because I had the light on earlier, but maybe you could just hold it with your bare hands. But you just have to wedge the screwdriver all around, or anything that's thin, so that the bulb is separated from the base, and then you just wiggle it out. So it's just that it's stuck in there pretty tightly, and if you try to pull it out, you may just damage the bulb. So it's good to use something to wedge out the bulb from the connector housing. And I made a little way with that, and then I just wiggle it out using my hands. Actually, I should have been wearing gloves. It would have been a lot easier. But anyway, here's the old one that's out. Now I'm putting the new one in. Sorry, it went by pretty quickly in this video, but I'm putting the new Auxito in, and you don't have to worry about the polarity. Either way will work. That's the other beauty about these LED bulbs, is that you don't have to connect the positive to the positive, negative to the negative. Either way, it'll work. And what I did was I connected it in, and then just making sure it's securely in, because you do have to push it in, and you want to make sure that the base of the bulb is flush against the top part of the connector. So you want to push it in pretty snug. And I'm not going to put it back into the projector. First I'm going to test it. So I'm going to go back into the vehicle to turn it on, just position to, I don't have to turn on the engine, and then get back out and turn on the lights, obviously, and then get back and take a look, and you can see it's on. I thought I was getting a better video of close-up, but I was not able to, but you can see that the LED is on. Now I shut off the light, and it's just a matter of putting it back into the housing. Thanks for watching.